Hello, everyone. Today is Sunday, February 20th, 2022. New Oncology Center inaugurated in Jimma City. This article is taken from Ethiopian Monitor. Ministry of Health on Saturday inaugurated an oncology center in Jimma City as authorities continue its push to address the growing need for cancer treatment in Ethiopia. The ministry said the new facility at Jimma University College of Health Sciences would increase the national capacity to provide cancer diagnosis and treatment services to patients. In the recent years, Health Minister Dr. Leah Tadesse said the government is acquiring new equipment and constructing new oncology centers to ease the challenge. The Cancer Treatment Center at Jimma University is one of them, she said. Dr. Leah said also that it is a part of a plan to establish oncology centers in 17 public universities with the capacity to provide chemotherapy and radiotherapy services. In other words, this is, I'm assuming, the first of 17 up and coming oncology centers in various universities in Ethiopia. Until recently, Tekur Anbessa, a specialized hospital, was Ethiopia's only center for cancer offering oncologic surgery, chemotherapy, and radiotherapy. Patients had to wait for at least 6 months to get access to its services. There are now dozens of diagnostic and treatment centers opened in the country while creating links to the National Referral Hospital for complex cases. Officials say their numbers, however, are still not sufficient as the disease becomes a major public health challenge in Ethiopia, where nearly 52,000 cancer deaths are registered annually. In 2020 alone, the country recorded more than 77,000 new cancer cases, among which cervical and breast cancer constitute the significant majority, according to International Agency on Cancer Research. And this is just one more piece of evidence that Prime Minister Abiy cares about Ethiopian women. It's really heartwarming to see this. And this, along with the fact that he has a lot of women in his cabinet. I mean, it just shows that he loves Ethiopian women. And only 15% of these cases get access to treatment, health officials say. So it's nice to see that Abiy is continuing his custom of, I would call it a custom loosely, of creating a new development, usually economic development. This is kind of cultural, but an economic development, a new institution or corporation every week, basically. I mean, and I'm talking about major things. And I'm not talking about 10,000 farmers getting land. I'm talking about major things like this. 17 oncology centers being formed in different universities. That's major. During a war. And you know, not only that, but this here is something, it's a major development. I mean, you have to wonder, why wasn't this done before? Abiy's only been in office for a couple of years. The previous administration, the TPLF, they were in office for 27 years. You know, so all of these things that I've been reporting about Ethiopia, All of these new institutions and corporations are happening on Abiy's watch. Yet he's one of the most vilified African heads of state.